welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Partners in Cream finale. I'm kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad. I love this project, but in a way I'm glad at the same time, because really all that's going to happen is we're going to have a month off, and then we are going to start back up on January 10th. I'm very excited about that. If you are not familiar with this project, it was created by Steph Lyons and Delyn, who is Outward Processing here on YouTube. I'm trying to remember what she is on Instagram. I think it's Pan no matter what. Anyway, I'm going to have them linked down below, and there's a playlist if you want to check out all of the people that have joined in. There's like a bazillion people that have joined in. There are so many. I believe there's a spreadsheet down there as well. I know there's a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, this update, finale, whatever you want to call it, it's kind of anticlimactic. It really is, because I have not hit any goals. I have not finished anything, and I kind of knew that was going to happen because all but one of these things was rolled in like late in the year, and there was just no way that I was going to get them finished. I really just wanted to bring them in for progress, and yeah. So let's get on with the first one, because I used it once and I only used half of it because it's a duo product. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner and shadow stick in purple, which is the shadow stick that I did not use at all. I'm not even going to roll it all the way up. That doesn't look very purple, does it? I don't know what e.l.f. is smoking when they name their colors, because that is not purple. And their liner in plum, I used that once. I guess that's kind of plummy, maybe, sort of. Yeah, so these, unimpressed with the progress. Can't say I'm unimpressed with the product because I didn't really use it, so, you know. I already have that earmarked for a project for next year. No, it will not be going into the Partners in Cream intro in January, but it does have a home. The next one was also brought in late. This is the very worn down. This is the Revlon Color Stay Brown Mousse. I believe this is in soft brown, but like, I use it and I guess my hands just rub off all of the writing. I cannot tell you how much product is in here because it doesn't weigh enough to, you know, my scale doesn't do a fine number of decimal points, so you can't see through it. I don't love this product, not just because it's not cruelty free, but I'm going to get you up in close here. So see how that wand is. There are, on each side, there are two holes, one at the bottom, one at the top. So when you twist it up, it comes out the holes. Only the way this works is it gets stuck in there. You can't get it all out. So then it clogs up the holes, and then nothing comes out. And then you have to wipe it off. It's a pain. It really is a pain in the butt. I'm going to continue to use it. This was sent to me through PR a while back, and I never really did use it. I would never, ever purchase this again. Even if it was cruelty-free, I would not purchase this again. But like I said, I'm going to use it. I will find a home for it in the coming year just to get it out of my collection so I don't have to look at it or use it anymore once it's gone. But this is not a product I would recommend to anyone. And I know some other people have said that they have used it. I'm curious to know if the people that have this product or have used up this product, what you thought of it, because I don't like to badmouth a whole lot of products unless I just don't get on with them well at all, and that is not a product that I love, not even a little bit. All right, the last one is one I actually do love a whole lot, and I am going to find a home for it next year. This is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. This is Piggy Bank. I love this one. I absolutely love it, but it's one of those colors that you can't wear every day. Like, I could wear a black eyeliner every day. I could wear a brown eyeliner every day. Like a charcoal gray eyeliner I could wear every day. Pinky purple? No, I couldn't do it. I did not draw a new line on here, but I have made, let's see, a little bit of progress. Oh no, I did draw a new line. I wasn't really paying attention. I was at the dark blue line before, now I'm at the light blue line. I forgot that I had done the line. This is my brain. This is my brain on 2020. I really like it. There's a ton of product left in here. Like I said, I'm going to find a home for it for next year in a project. I would like to get it used up, not because I want it out of my collection, but I'm concerned that it is going to dry out. These are notorious for breaking when they start to get too dry, and I experienced that a tiny bit with the yellow, but I have not experienced that with the purple one, so I would like to use it and enjoy it before we get to that point. So while nothing got finished here at the end, I did finish 5 products on the year, like fully finished, not just hit a goal on. They were done and out. So I am happy about that. I am really happy about this project coming back next year. I have met some amazing people that I didn't even know they were panners, that they existed in this panning community, and so I found some more people to watch, which I always like. And yeah, I'm happy. Like I said, it's coming back. I'll get to meet even more people through this project, and I will get through some more of my cream products, liquid products, my non-powder products. So I like it. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.